so for today's video, we're going to get ready with me everyday look. Come on. The original niacinamide 10% serum. It has sodium hyaluronic. It's good for the skin. Na-erase niya yung mga pimple marks. Nalalighten pa. Next is the Original Beauty Immunity Brightening Moisturizer. Here. So it has niacinamide plus tranexamic acid with fruit blend extract also. So I love it. Don't know, I just love it. Because it really moisturizes my skin and gives it a plump texture. Gamit na gamit siya guys. Para mas ma-absorb ng skin yung product na naglalagay natin. Sunscreen. It is the original Ceramella Sunscreen SPF 50 PA++++++. It has ceramide, vitamin C, and tremella. Here it is. So I'm using a 2-finger method here. As you can see, many of the beauty creators uses this method because they say na wala lang. Ano ba? Ginagawa. Basta, sinabi nila. Pinablang. Wala siyang white sauce doon. Kasi doon, hindi pa ang tamang ilagay. Hindi siya nag-white sauce. Pero make sure na lang, matuloy na yung mga linagay niyo bago pa nilagay yung oil ng ibang product. Because useless lang din. Kasi, if naglagay ka na basta, kasi hindi ma-absorb ng yung skin mo yun. So, better really let it dry. So, ibigay tayo ng tinted sunscreen. This is from Fairy Skin Premium Tinted Sunscreen. It says also SPF 50 PA+++++. Here it is. So, I'm gonna using the finger method also here. Kita nyo naman. Ubos na siya guys. Gamit na niya. Papaubos ka lang. Ano ba? Bakit ayaw mo rin? Here. Blang. Super ano mo lang. Super lightweight na sa baga. Parang wala ka lang nilagay. Pag nag-ano. Next step is magkikilay na tayo. Kikilay. Kilin ko lang yung ano. Kilay ko kasi manipis ko lang yung ano. Super nipis. So, everyday look lang naman siya. So, dapat all natural yung base natin. Dapat natural lang natin base guys. That's why I didn't cover my imperfections because it's a everyday look. What do you expect? Everyday look. Ano naman ang ulan? Rain. Nagkikilay ako kahit nasa bahay lang ako lalaki. So, ang gagawin, babrush lang. Ano pa bang gagawin? There. Pero may kilay lang. Parang hindi pa pantay. Ito ganito natin. Ito. And try my best here. Though I'm not the first time when it comes to makeup, but I always do it, so it's like, mag-brush na ulit natin. Ano ito ba? O diba? Nagpa-blush na tayo guys. Next step is blush. This is from an SH coat. I don't know. Ito siya. It is, you know, ang ganda ng packaging niya guys. Tignan. So, maglalagay na ako ng onting-onti lang kasi natural, diba? Natural, everyday look, diba? Natural. So, like that. Ay, mukhang nasobrahan yung sabi. So, ko yan. Hintay kayo. So, ganito. So, paano siya ilalagay? Parang ito lang. Biglan ko lang din. Ito, hindi talaga siya kantay. Pero maglalagay ako dito. So, mag-a-add pa ako ng onti dito kasi parang hindi pantay. Papantahin natin siya. So the last step is lippy. This is from Orange. Ang bilis nyo, nasa last step na tayo. Ito siya. Ang ganda ng applicator. Look, diba ang ganda ng applicator? Tsaka yung packaging niya. Super aesthetic. I love it. 10 out of 10. So here, I'm gonna put it. By the way, I'm in a shade number 8. Number 8. So this is the final look, guys. What do you think? Slay ba? This is our everyday look. Our everyday look naman. What do you think, guys? Comment down below if you want me to do more videos like this. Bye, beautiful people.